Nalilito ka pa rin ba sa long division? Let us try to solve the following examples. Ano nga ba yung mga steps para makapag-solve tayo ng division in long method? First, tayo ay magdi-divide, followed by multiply, and then subtract, and last step, bring down. Example number 1, we have 657 divided by 3. Since our divisor ay 1 digit lamang, ang kukunin natin sa dividend ay 1 digit lang din. So, mag-i-start tayo mag-divide sa 6. 6 divided by 3, that is 2. Next step, times 2 times 3 is 6. Pagkatapos mag-multiply, tayo ay magsusubtract. 6 minus 6, ang sagot ay 0. Next step ay bring down. So, i-bring down natin yung next digit, which is 5. Okay, 5 divided by 3 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. Next step, subtract. 5 minus 3 is 2. Now, we will bring down. Bring down the last digit, which is 7. So, ngayon, meron na tayong 27. 27 divided by 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. 27 minus 27 is 0. Our final answer is 219. Ano naman kapag ang divisor natin ay 2 digits? Kapag mag-divide tayo ng divisor na 2 digits, mag-start din tayong mag-divide sa dividend gamit ang 2 digits. So, dito, mag-start tayo sa 12. 12 divided by 11, that is 1. 1 times 11 is 11. Next step, subtract. 12 minus 11, that is 1. Then, bring down. Bring down the next digit, which is 6. So, meron tayo ngayong 16. 16 divided by 11 is 1. 1 times 11 is 11. 16 minus 11 is 5. Next step, bring down. Bring down the next digit, which is 5. Meron tayong 55. So, 55 divided by 11 is 5. 5 times 11 is 55. Now, let us subtract. 55 minus 55 is 0. Our final answer is 115.